ever wondered how do you grow your money? क्या आपको ऐसी स्कीम के बारे में जानना है जहाँ पे आपके पैसे लिटरली डबल हो जाए? Yes, you heard that right. Hey guys, I'm Kalpana Jain. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another interesting video regarding investment plan, that is SIP. So what do you know what they say about SIP? They say invest small, grow big. So this is what they say. And also have put few questions at the end of this video. So watch this video till the end. So let's start about and understand what is SIP. So before we start about SIP, let me give you a small introduction regarding mutual funds, because if you are new to the mutual fund topic, let me give you a clarification. Now what is a mutual fund? Mutual fund is a company where the investors give money to a fund manager, and the fund manager invests that money in stocks, bonds, shares, short-term debts, debentures, anything like that. So this is what a mutual fund is. Now let me give you an example. How does it work? See, it's very simple. See, investors. So you are the investors, okay? So you are investing, let's say a lump sum amount or anything like that in mutual fund, but you are not aware of in which stocks to invest, in which company you should invest. So you give it to the fund manager. Okay, the fund manager will invest your money on behalf of you in the securities. Securities means shares, bonds, short-term debts, anything. Okay, those securities will get a return. It will generate return. Let's suppose आपने 500 invest किया, आपने 500 fund manager को दे दिया, then the fund manager will invest that into securities and you will get a return of 525 rupees. So 25 rupees is your income. In this 25 rupees, you will give 5 rupees as a part of commission or brokerage, something like that, to the fund manager, and you will get the 20 rupees as an income. So this is how a mutual fund company works. यहाँ पे आप जैसे बहुत सारे करोड़ों लोग होते हैं जो इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं, वो अपने फंड मैनेजर को पैसे देखते हैं, एंड फंड मैनेजर इज एन एक्सपर्ट इन स्टॉक मार्केट. ही विल बी हैविंग every day, he will obviously working in this stock market trading every day, so he'll be having aware of in which companies we should invest and all, and आपका पैसा यहाँ पे सेफली आपको बिना मेहनत के आपको रिटर्न्स मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज व्हाट अ म्यूचुअल फंड इज. बट इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट म्यूचुअल फंड इन डिटेल and you want to know about stock market, derivative market, futures and options, the link for the same will be provided in the description below. Please do watch those videos. But let me come to the main topic of this video, that is SIP. See, before that, see, there are two ways you can invest in mutual fund. One is lump sum, जहाँ पे आपका ढेर सारा पैसा आपको एक म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल देते हैं. देन द सेकेंड वन इज SIP. SIP इज अ सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान. सो what is an lump sum? First of all, lump sum is, let's suppose Mr. A gets 50,000 एज लॉटरी. इनको तो लॉटरी मिल गई, तो आप ये सोच रहे हैं what to do with this 50,000 rupees as what I got as a lottery. So he will make a one-time investment, completely those 50,000 money in an stock or in an debenture or in a short-term debts or bonds or something like that. Let's suppose he invests completely that is 50,000 rupees into SBI stocks. Okay, so this is called lump sum. एक ही बारी में आपने पूरा पैसा एक ही जगह डाल दिया. This is called lump sum. This is a very good way where if you are getting some bonus or you have a good external income, जहाँ पे आपको एक साथ बहुत सारे पैसे मिल गए, तो आप ये कर सकते हैं. But for this you need a proper knowledge in which stocks you should invest, at what time you should invest, what is the quantity of shares you should invest on, which company you invest on, जब market कहाँ पे down है, up है, ये सब देख के आपको invest करना है. But the problem is most of the people will not be having this knowledge. So what to do now? Then you have a solution, and that solution is SIP, systematic investment plan. Now what is this systematic investment plan? Is that you save a part of your salary every month. Let's suppose you can save around 5,000 अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो. So let's suppose even it can start with 500. Okay, you don't need to save 5,000 only. You can start with even 500 rupees. At least I hope everyone can save 500 rupees a month. So you can invest that 500 rupees every month into an SIP plan. Now where do you get an SIP plan? You can go for any mutual fund companies. Even if you are not going for any mutual fund companies, there are many apps available like 5paisa, Upstock, Money Control, Zerodha. There are many apps where you can do this. You can invest in stock markets and all. For this information, you can always consult your fund manager also. So you can invest every month. So it is on a regular interval. आपको हर महीने पैसे देने होंगे. Like every month, let's suppose if you started with 1,000 rupees, every month 1,000 rupees you can even automate this. Like every month जैसे ही आपकी सैलरी आएगी, आपके 1,000 rupees डिडक्ट होके SIP में चले जाएंगे. So you can even automate this. Now how does this work? See, it works in a very simple manner. Let's suppose Mr. A is a salaried employee. Okay, he earns around 40 or 50,000 every month, and he can save around 5,000 rupees every month. Then he will invest it in a SIP plan where he will be investing regular interval. So after around 10 years, 20 years, he will get a lump sum amount of money with interest. कभी कभी आपके पैसे ऑलमोस्ट डबल भी हो जाता है. But obviously this is subjected to market risk. Please read all the documents carefully. Yeah, jokes apart, but अगर आप सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे रखते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आपके पैसे इतने ग्रो नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज यू विल गेट अराउंड 5 to 6% ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट, whereas you will get in SIP nearly 8 to 10 to 12% of interest. You will obviously get 12% of interest. This is way more better than what you do in savings and, but obviously savings banks doesn't have a risk, but here you have a little bit risk, but it's okay. If you're not taking the risk, you'll not be earning. Higher the risk, higher the profit. But यहाँ पे SIP में relatively the risk is less and the profit is also moderate. So this is a better plan. So there are few questions which were asked to me. I would like to answer one on one. So can I stop my SIP anytime? See, sometimes if you are having certain issues or anything like that, and if you are unable to continue your SIP, yes you can. लेट्स सपोज अगर मैं 2 साल से SIP में हर महीने 1,000 रुपये दे रही हूँ, लाइक अभी 2-3 महीने में नहीं दे पाऊँगी, लेट्स सपोज इफ आई एम अनेबल टू पे, देन आई कैन पॉज इट फॉर अ टाइम ड्यूरेशन, and if I'm don't want it, I just want to discontinue it, yes you can stop your SIP anytime obviously, but there will be some conditions applied and there will be some deductions, but that is again depends upon your SIP plan. आप अपने लिए डिफरेंट प्लान चूज़ कर सकते हैं. द व्हाट इज़ एन SIP प्लान? लाइक अगर आपका प्लान है, द इफ़ यू आर टॉक टू योर फंड मैनेजर, ही विल इन्वेस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. लाइक आफ्टर 10 years or 20 years you want to have a retirement plan, or if you want to travel for 2-3 years, like that. It is depending upon your plan, the fund manager will invest in SIP. Now can you start with how much is money needed? The minimum amount needed is 500. You can start your SIP with 500. Like every month 500 rupees आप SIP में invest कर सकते हो, but I would suggest 500 rupees will not be gaining you a fruitful income or a fruitful profit, something like that. But अगर at least आप SIP शुरू करना चाहते हैं, then start with minimum 5,000 rupees. Okay, so at least that would be a 10,000 SIP would be a better option. But if you cannot, at least start with 5,000. 1,500 में अगर आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं, देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन, बट आपको उतना प्रॉफिट या फिर इनकम गेन नहीं होगा, रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा उतना ज़्यादा. सो when can you start? Is there a time limit or a age bar or something like that? No, nothing. You can start your SIP even if you're a student, a working professional, or an employee, or anyone, a business person, anyone can start an SIP, and you can start now, and you should start now, क्योंकि आज से ही इन्वेस्ट करोगे. इन्वेस्ट स्मॉल, ग्रो बिग. सो दिस इज़ वॉट SIP सेज. सो आप अपना SIP कहीं पे भी अभी भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. फॉर अ बिजनेस पीपल आई वुड सजेस्ट यू go for a lump sum. For a salaried employee it would be better if you go for a SIP. So the next question is how long you should invest. See, I had a friend who had invested in SIP for 1 or 2 years, and he is regretting now that because he didn't get a fruitful way. This is a wrong thing. Okay, you do not invest in SIP just for 1 or 2 years. प्लीज़ डोंट डू। यू कैन, पर आपको करने से उससे कोई रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा। आपको फिर बुरा लगेगा कि मेरे पास पैसे वापस आए नहीं, इतने रिटर्न भी नहीं है। सो इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एन SIP, एटलीस्ट बी कॉन्स्टेंट एंड डिसिप्लिन्ड मैनर में एटलीस्ट 5 years के लिए। सो दिस विल क्रिएट a habit of savings also in you. So at least for 5 to 10 years, I would recommend if you do it for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, it would be a better choice. Okay, so this is how it works. Then is risk involved? Yes, आई वुड नॉट लाई। बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि SIP में रिस्क नहीं रहता है, यू कैन गेन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड ऑल। नो, रिस्क इज इन्वॉल्व बिकॉज एनीथिंग you invest in money in, it will be always risky, even in your savings bank account. Okay, the risk in savings bank account is your money is safe, that's it. You're not getting a good return of amount from your savings bank. The same way म्यूचुअल फंड में आपको रिटर्न्स तो जल्दी अच्छे मिल सकते हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली उसमें भी रिस्क रहता है बिकॉज समटाइम्स मार्केट is unpredictable. Even with you are an expert or you are even having an expert fund manager, it is risky. So yes, I would say it is risky, but not that to a greater extent. It is relatively very less risk involved in this. A few things if you come aware of, then you can invest in. So yes, it is invest because they say, as they say, mutual funds are subjected to market risk, but obviously बहुत कम है, तो आपको ज़रूर करना चाहिए. I hope I was clear with this video, and if you have any doubts and if you have any questions regarding mutual fund, please write down in the comment section below. I would like to answer. Thanks for watching.